Hi, I'm Marquesa Hobbs. Welcome to Makeover Monday for June 2020. For many homeowners, one of the silver linings of the stay-at-home and safer-at-home orders has been having more time for home improvement projects. Whether you're in your dream home or getting ready for a possible sale, freshening up your home can be fun, and it makes such a huge difference. One of my family's projects was updating our monochromatic kitchen, which had a very dull and dated feel. We wanted to create fresh lines and a brightness that was inviting and energizing. After all, like most families, we spend the majority of time in our kitchen with families and friends. This is definitely the heart of our home. We love to cook and entertain, and really wanted to create a space that would be warm and inviting, yet feel fresh and updated. We also wanted a contrasting element, so we went dark with the Caviar cabinets and light for the walls with Iceberg White by Benjamin Moore. This really helped open up the space to create a more appealing area in which to cook, dine, and entertain. It even makes the granite completely different. This project involved all hands on deck. It's amazing what a little paint, teamwork, and elbow grease can do for the soul. You never realize just how many drawers and doors you have until you have to remove and paint them all. So, how did it turn out? Pretty good, especially considering all we've done so far is paint. It is amazing how paint can completely transform a room. Next up will be the countertops, backsplashes, lighting, and flooring to complete our desired look. But for now, we're really happy with how this is turning out so far. For this project, we've spent $200 on paint and supplies and invested a weekend of quality family time together. We will eventually finish our kitchen remodel, but for now, I hope this gave you some ideas and a gentle reminder that you do not need to complete a remodel and renovation all at the same time. You can do it gradually as budget and time allows. Even if I was to list this home right now, it already looks so much better. Remember that an updated kitchen is one of the very best investments you can make in your home, one that almost always has a great ROI when you go to sell. That's it for this Makeover Monday. Thank you for joining me, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time.